Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to use the green screen effect filter on your Instagram stories. Yes, you can do it. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I'm going to go to my Instagram, and if you've used green screen effects on TikTok, this is very similar. So now I am going to go to my Instagram stories, and I'm going to open the my stories camera. You can click here or just swipe on the left hand side. So when I do that, so normally this is where you open. It opens in the normal mode. Now to get the filter or to get the effect, the green screen effect, you have to scroll. I'm going to scroll all the way to the end. Let me close this and look for browse effects. So that's where we are going to go. Make sure you go to all the way on the left hand side and click on browse effects. So click on that, and now this is where you have all of your effects gallery. So there are a lot of cool AR and VR filters and effects that you can use. It's amazing. Unfortunately, not many people use this. I think Instagram stories, if you use the right filters or effects, you can create compelling and engaging content. Now to go back to our goal of green screen effect, so we're going to click on search and let's search for green screen, which I've already done. So when you do that, you're going to find a bunch of different, so look at all these green screen effects or filters created by different creators. So you can test all of these. The one I used is green screen by Instagram, so that one. So once you find it, click on this, and now click on try it. So I'm gonna try it and you'll see, so that's me. Hey, what's up guys? And there's a green screen behind me. I'm able to, if you see this button right here, add media, I can click on this and add, let's say, an image in the background. So now I have, this is me, and now I have this image in the background, and I can kind of like create a stories content. I can create Instagram stories with that image in the background. How cool is that? Now let me X out, discard, because you're able to use both images and videos in your background. So if I click on add media, I'm able to pick a video, and now look at this, I have a video playing in my background, right? And you're also able to pinch or kind of change the size. So if I do this, look at this. So I'm able to change the size of the video on the green screen effect. How cool is that, right? So if you do like it, you can click on this down arrow and then hit save. In my case, I've already saved it. So you can save it to your camera roll, meaning, so let me go back. Since I already have saved that effect, so whenever I go, so I'm gonna go all the way out to my Instagram, and let's go back to my Instagram stories camera. And some of these effects, so all, right here, they are saved because I use them on consistent basis. So if you go all the way here, so I have green screen saved in my camera effect. So now I don't have to go back to the search and search it again. It's saved there for me to use it again and again on consistent basis. So yes, you can use green screen effects on your Instagram stories. Very cool feature. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave those questions in the comments below. And also before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.